When I welcome out of night show, you know, say there's nothing like your language for
I'm telling you. You know, there's this uvucuvation in the escaput of Caledon that it gives your stomach.
Exactly.
Yeah, Anyone, I welcome back at Sunday Night Show. Before we show now Zoro, make watch the video of Ogbonge featuring Flavour. When we come back, we're not going to see Zoro. He could also down spread leg like virus for chair. Inside studio. We'll come back still at Sunday Night Show. I'm Zen for inside the studio. Zoro, welcome to the next show. Welcome. You know how many years don't they drag to carry this guy come here?
How many years?
How many months don't they drag to carry this guy come here? He's a star boy. Only say he never give girls belly. It gets up to where Katim talk for that video.
You know what I mean?
If you not notice, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
When Zoro been there top of building,
Yes.
now only men they dance with him.
Suddenly.
Even when they climb on top motor,
Yes.
no only men. Then suddenly,
Yes.
when he can't reach the part where Flavour to sing,
Close eye open.
close eye open, wine. Women
Yeah. And then you are wondering how come you have women
and you're now
everywhere.
wondering why he's giving.
Pium,
Yeah.
pium.
You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Anyway, Zoro, welcome. Katim, they ask me, so why your name be Zoro? I said, I don't know. Tell us about yourself, your stage name, what be your real name?
As in your birth certificate.
Yeah,
Surname, first name, and middle name.
now the name when they say when them born you, then carry you go church,
They
father.
say, today.
Na fana, na wana monso.
Madam, for me, these are the
Your
names.
name will not be any kind of name.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
Name when they say get NAFDAC approval.
Yeah.
Not you know NAFDAC approval they get botanical names sometimes too.
But either one though.
Like mbrede alabosa abali diegu. You know, Nwachuku. So what be the original name your man pagi you?
Owo Chimobi.
Owo.
OWOH, yeah. Owo Chimobi.
Owo. Ah.
Owo Chimobi.
Oh, like in Kemo.
Kemo, yeah. Like
If I sing your own Owo ni koko, you go say your son name. Let's say Owo ni koko.
No.
Owo get no Owo na your son name.
Owo blue.
Yeah. Owo Chimobi Christmatna.
Christmas.
Christmatna.
Gene.
For you, Chris.
Christmatna.
Christmatna, yeah. That's I'm Catholics name. After
Oh,
You hear them like beat, tear. All those kind. Ecclesiastes.
Bam. Ecclesiastes.
Yeah.
I don't see somebody with that say Ecclesiastes.
I hear Ecclesia.
Cletus.
Cletus.
Bonaventure.
Bonaventure. Now, why you choose the name Zoro? Why Zoro?
No.
Yeah.
Because nothing concerns
Your name.
your name concerns Zoro.
Yeah. The thing about it is that when I was in secondary, I used to be a very, very stubborn child.
You like this?
Yeah, I used to be very stubborn. Yeah, you don't step on my toes and go scot-free. You go collect.
You be last born.
What do you go collect?
I'm the first child. I did enough blows, like,
You know what I
You know what
mean?
I'm saying?
Stand up when they look you well because they not believe that who they talk to say enough blows.
You know what I mean?
Sit down. Negative.
So, and then my dad would always tell you, Zelongwa, Rapokunoka. Anytime I come back to the house and there are bruises all over my body.
You know to say this guy they speak English, and we they speak English.
Meanwhile, they rap that rap
Yeah.
when they rap that.
We they speak pidgin.
You know
I'm not sure English.
what I mean?
I want to be Igbo.
You see pidgin now.
I want to get pigeon. I'm a dove.
You know say pigeon, but they blow Igbo like that.
Ngwa talk
That's me
continue.
Igbo. I'm Igbo and so Igbo. And I can get.
Continue because see your fucking talk with
Yeah,
you.
so he always tell you, Zelong Warapokunoka. Like after he must have after the whole sermon and everything concluded with Zelong Wagene Hapokunoka. You know what I mean? So then
Meaning for those who don't understand.
yeah. So then I used to write carve my initials, like write my surname on my school uniform then. I didn't know what HOMO meant. Then I'll write OWO. Then when I fold the collar, it turns to HOMO. Homo. I didn't know what that meant.
Now
So I'd wear the shirt. They'll call me and I'll answer. I didn't
They
even,
call you homo?
and I'll answer. From my JSS1 to JSS3.
People say, "Oh man, what's
CIC Enugu, College of the Immaculate Conception. So they would call me, but I didn't really know anything about that. I'm the first child, and I did not know anything about someone being gay and stuff. So, and then when I now got to know about it, and then I wanted to maybe turn a new leaf, my SS1 days, and I had to, look for an initials to carve instead of writing the stuff again. So I now say to myself, I'm coming back to SS1. I need to be a new person. Now I need to imbibe in me that thing when Pops they always talk. Zelo Rapokunoka. I had to now carve the initials Zelo Rapokunoka. That's what it means. Okay. So I had to carve it at the neck of my shirt.
My brother, you're a very intelligent somebody.
Zelo means run away from temptation, Abi.
Yeah.
And may you live.
Stay out of trouble.
Stay out of trouble, basically. Yeah. So basically, meaning of Zoro to him. So meaning of Zoro, meaning another thing to you.
Yeah.
But to him, now stay out of trouble.
Daddy, thank you.
Daddy, thank you. If not be you now, if I'm not somebody who they call you Zoro. But wait, what he can make swag bag enter the thing?
Zoro.
Most artists you see, likes of Flavour, say Nabania, Fino, say Faino, YCC, Omalaji.
Okay.
So there's always.
Okay.
You know, and for swag bag go. There's Obelo Juku. There's BBGG. There's Ntontong Wana.
Ntontong Wana Megan.
Ntontong genocide. Don't go there.
Anyway, we go back to more chicken break. We watch one video. In fact, now the first song of Zoro, where I hear be this, and one of my guys, Avalon.
Oh, okay.
Now Avalon, I give me, I put this song. When I hear, I'm like, who be this guy? I don't play the song for you.
Yeah, sure.
I don't play the song for you. Someone could watch the video of Awesome Boat. I love that song.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.